What's up, everybody? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another case review. This time we're going to be looking at one of the cases I just got in from ProCase. This is the Shell-Folio. We're going to get it on, get it checked out. Once again, this is for iPad Pro 11. So get your popcorn, let's go. So iPad Pro 11, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here looking at my videos, thanks for coming back. You know I do iPad Pro cases, cell phone cases, things of that nature, little gadgets, little who's-its, little what's-its, whatever. Now, no exception today, we're looking at ProCase Shell-Folio. Now, I wouldn't really classify this one as a folio case because it covers all the sides. So I would call this more of just a shell case, not a stand folio. You got Apple Pencil charging on deck right there. Auto sleep wake. First two features I always check for. If you watched any of my videos, you know that's a big thing for me. The auto sleep wake and the standard charging for the pencil on the case. Down bottom, everything looks good. Speakers, charging port, buttons, let's test them. Nice and tactile. Everything feels good with that. Power button up top, and speakers and mic up top look good. Now this is like a denim type material on the outside. On the back you got that same material. On the inside you get a microfiber lining though, and then you get a rubber shell back here. You're gonna get orientation just like this to stand, and then if you want to actually type, you're gonna fold them all the way up again, and boom, you get your typing mode. You don't get a drop right there, but when you flip it back, I do have some cases that actually stay held, and this one, when you're in book mode, it's not having it. Some of them the magnets go all the way across, some of them the magnets are right here in the flap in the front, and they stay closed when you have it in book mode. Now, not knocking this is a nice case. It's really nice in the hands. It doesn't add a whole lot of bulk. Our camera sits down in a nice recess just like that. Apple Pencil is easy to remove. You got a little notch back here, so you're just gonna pop it out. Everything looks good. Everything is a go. So I'll be sure to leave a link to this case below. But we got the features that we want. The screen is auto sleep wake, and we got charging on the Apple Pencil, and the pencil is protected on the outside by this little notch. So I hope this is able to help someone out. I'll be sure and leave a link below to this. Remember, ProCase, you can check them out on Amazon. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.